Hi, boys and girls. Today, I'm going to teach you some more letters again, the same ones we've been working on, and I'm going to reteach, but I'm also going to zero in and target the lowercase today. Let's read our objective. I can find lowercase letters, and read what this says. Pay attention to print. Pay attention to print. This is the letter Z. Can you find the lowercase z? That means the smaller or shorter. This is the lowercase z. That's what we're going to be looking at today. But before we do that, let's talk about and review those letters we've been working on the last week. We have the letter O, C, S, J, P. Let's look at the O. Which one is the lowercase o? Look at it, compare it. If you pick this, you're right. Lowercase, shorter. That's your lowercase o. Remember the C. Looks almost like the O, but there's a break. See the break? Which one is the lowercase c? This one. See it? Shorter. Compare it. Lowercase c. This is the Do you remember this one? I bet you do. S, which is the lowercase s. Look at it, compare it. This one is the lowercase s. Okay. Find the P. One line down and around. One line down and around. Which one is the lowercase p? If you pick this one, you're right. Shorter. Where's the J? J. Which one is the lowercase j? If you pick this one, you're right. Lowercase j, shorter. Now, I have those letters we've been working on. We're going to look at these today. And Miss Mulligan's we're going to reteach the letters, but we're going to find the lowercase letters. So, let's go over this letter. Can you remember what it is? Z. Very good. Z. Where's the lowercase c? If you pick this one, you're right. Compare it. This one's lower. Lowercase c, shorter. What letter's this? The V. V. They look almost the same, but there's one difference. One is taller, one is shorter. Lowercase is the shorter one. That's the V. Two V's put together make the W. They look almost the same. The lines are the same, but these lines extend. They're taller, upper in the sky. That's the upper, so this is the lowercase. Look at it. Lowercase, shorter, W. This is the X. The X, remember the X marks the spot? The X, look at it, compare it. Which one's a lowercase? If you pick this one, you're right. Shorter than that one. This is the K. K. Kick in, kick out. Kick in, kick out. Remember that? K. Which one is the lowercase k? If you pick this one, you're right. This line doesn't go all the way up like that. It's a little shorter, and if it does, it's a little skinnier and smaller. This is the lowercase k. Now I'm going to check with you. I'm going to mix them up. I'm going to give you a letter, then you got to decide which one is lowercase. Lowercase. Let's start with the X marks the spot. Can you find the X? You pick this one, you're right. They're both X's. They look almost identical. The only difference is one's taller, one's shorter. Where's the lowercase? This one, shorter. Where's the W? Do you remember the W? Do you remember the W, peace signs? They look almost the same, just like the other letters we've been working on. But one's taller, one's shorter. Which one's a lowercase? This one, lowercase W. Where's the Z? Z. Anybody find it? Here's the Z. Over, slant, over. Over, slant, over. They look almost the same. The lines are the same. But pay attention to print. One is taller, one is shorter. Which one is the lowercase? This one, if you picked it, is the lowercase z. Last letter, V. 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 Where's the V? They look almost the same. The lines are both slants. One is got longer lines, one is shorter lines. One goes up to the sky, one is shorter. Where's the lowercase v? This one is lowercase v. Very good. Boys and girls, you're learning a lot about letters. I want you to find, for me, an exit slip at home. You're going to use your pointer finger right now, and I want you to point to the lowercase p. This is a P, and it looks almost the same. One is taller, one's shorter. Which one's the lowercase p? If you pick this one, you're right. Lowercase p. Which letter is this? Say it, Z. Which one is the lowercase z? This one. It's smaller. Boys and girls, Ms. Mulligan really wants you to always pay attention to print. Print tells us a lot, doesn't it? When we analyze it, when we look at it, we can see lots and lots of parts to what print looks like by looking at the lines, looking at the size, looking at the width, everything. Read our objective today that you learned. I can find, lowercase letters, and pay attention to print. That's my biggest line in reading. Have a good day, boys and girls. Bye-bye.